In this video, we'll explore how to take perfect night mode photos on your iPhone. Night photography can be challenging. Often, dark environments lead to blurry images, and many smartphones struggle to perform in low light. The iPhone solves this with an automatic night mode feature that intelligently reads the light in your environment. When you're in a dark setting, look for the yellow moon icon, which indicates that night mode is active. You can tap this icon if you wish to disable it. The iPhone performs complex work to give you a great shot. It detects dim light, captures multiple frames, aligns them, and merges them into one clear image. Because the camera requires stability, you'll see a timer on the screen. It is important to hold your iPhone steady while the photo is being captured. If the phone detects movement, it will display alignment crosshairs. Simply match the crosshairs to ensure your photo remains clear. For professional results, use a tripod. The phone will detect a steady surface and allow for exposures of up to 30 seconds. You can manually control the exposure time by tapping the yellow moon icon and sliding the timer setting to its maximum duration. Night mode is versatile and works across different lenses, allowing you to capture both stunning night portraits and bright night selfies. Keep in mind that using the flash will override night mode. These two features cannot be used simultaneously, though you can choose manual flash for close subjects. With these tips, your iPhone empowers your creativity, allowing you to capture impossible moments and master night photography.